This is me and Chris again. This is our account, shithead49449. And I have haro rims right here. Haro tire, haro forks, haro bars. Come over here. Haro bars. A haro stem, and some fit bike grips right here, and this is a haro. Oh yeah, and here's the bar ends right there, and this is a haro 300 series. Right there's the 300, and then there's haro right there, and I have a haro seat. And I have haro cranks and haro pedals right there, and I have a haro sprocket, haro brake cable, and Tech-Pro brake lever, and back wheel same, rim the same, haro hub, and so yeah, it's pretty much my bike. I bought it at Impala Bicycles. Right there. And I went to Joyride today
with Chris.
On
his birthday.
For his birthday.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was pretty fun. Hit the foam pit, almost got myself knocked out, and so that's the end of this video. Okay, see ya.